Hi, welcome back to this week's portfolio update. So currently the portfolio is worth 7.5k and the overall gain is on the negative side. And the earned dividends we received $260 overall. Let's say the last week. Last week we earned $27 in dividend and market was on the downside. That's why right now it's 340 on the negative side. The difference from last week is like you could say like last week it was 5.8, now it is almost 1.8k more. What I did is like I borrowed from M1 using the margin interest. Right now they provide interest at 8.25. I am not an M1 plus, so 8.75 is my interest. So this was a financial experiment I am trying. 7.5k. Here you see I added a new pie liability. That liability, if you see, there are two. One is Tesla, another one is TSLY. This is a ETF that is played on Tesla. I invested $1,000 each to each of these shares. Right now, as market was down, both went down, and actual percentage is right now TSLY is more 50.1 and Tesla it's 49.8. Here you see the value is 917 and in Tesla it's down 912. So you could see the borrow the the base rate is 8.75. I borrowed 2000 and I paid prepaid $7 and $9. So that's why now it's showing 1984 and currently the interest is 3.88 and 9.18 would be the projected around September 6. So this is an experiment I'm trying to understand like whether buying TSLY or Tesla is a better option. As TSLY has a good dividend interest, whether TSLY will be, I I think like if market is down, TSLY will be more, and market is up, like Tesla is gaining, then Tesla will gain more than TSLY. But still, we can see because there is no dividend received after that. If you go to last week's activity, EPD we received 1.22 on dividend. TSLY we received 28.85. We invested both to EPD 30.07. Other than that, we invested SPOL from last week's prior to last week's dividend 24.17. And here you see TSLY and Tesla I bought $1,000 each. Other than that, I invested $13 in that $6 I had SPOL again bought SPOL. So all my deposit went to SPOL other than the $2,000 I invested in Tesla and TSLY. I deposited another $10. Full it will be like if you go here, the Regal subscription, it will invest to SPOL. Right now, SPOL, the average share price I bought is 22.87 and currently it is 22.68. So that's why I want to reach a financially independent on a Regal subscription. Last time we got $22 only. So we expect 23.67 minimum. That's why I'm investing more to SPOL. Next week also, if there is any profit or if I deposit some extra, that would be to SPOL. Other than that, there is no change. Let's go to the Excel to understand the financial independence date. Here in the Excel, you could see the extra I added TSLY and Tesla. It has 68.34 shares and Tesla has 4.23. Tesla doesn't pay any dividend. Right now, both reduced. So right now, the current value is 913.7 and 9.19. 912.16. And with that TSLY, we expect 68 with last month's dividend calculation. Other than that, the extra increase is on SPOL. We right now have 76.69 shares, and EPD, because of the extra dividend from TSLY, we invested the EPD. Right now, the EPD gives a dividend per month of 0.59. And if you see here, the monthly dividend, it increased to 143.7. That's a huge increase. It's only because of this financial experiment. And annual dividend is 1724.4. So this is a temporary thing, like maybe I'll sell it once it is on profit, or maybe I'll sell it if it is too much loss. And if you see the fire date, right now it's 2022 June 17th, a fire date. And at that time, monthly dividend would be 1.16 million dollars. And currently the expected age of my financial independence is 218. That's it from this week's update. We'll see you next week. Thank you.